everyone.
We are miles from Missouri, and we are at Meinert State Park in Michigan. This is a large family trip. My brothers, sisters, everyone's here, and we booked this tiny little campground that no one knows anything about, and we're gonna explore it.
Yep, so it's 4th of July week. We are here for 8 days, and we're excited to share it with you.
Meinert County Park is located in Muskegon, Michigan, and sits on the shores of Lake Michigan. This park offers a quiet retreat for the whole family. Meinert Park features a campground with full hookups located a short walk to the Lake Michigan beach. Sitting on 182 acres of forested dunes, the park provides scenic overlooks with spectacular views of the Lake Michigan shoreline. The campground offers 67 full hookup modern campsites, both open and shaded, a dump station, flush toilets, and showers. There is ice and firewood available for purchase and on-site security at all times. Modern sites offer 20, 30, and 50 amp hookups. Pricing is reasonable at $45 a night for the campsites and a $5 daily or $20 annual motor vehicle entry fee. Please note that alcohol is not allowed in any Muskegon County parks. We enjoyed our stay at Meinert County Park. The park is clean, quiet, and has all the amenities you need, as well as being walking distance to the beautiful Lake Michigan beach. We would highly recommend this campground to anyone looking for a spot to stay near the lake in West Michigan. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. We'll see you at the next mile marker. Who wants to go to the beach? Who wants to go swimming? Oh my goodness, are we going swimming, Chippy?